I went from a boring and unfulfilling corporate job in London to a purposeful and exciting online business owner out here in Bali, earning quite a lot of money doing it as well. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you the full system and business model that I use in order to do just that, in order to turn from this person here who's in a lift, not excited to get out of the lift, to what I was doing yesterday, working from this spot here in Bali, working where I want, on what I want, with who I want, when I want, and also, as I said, making some good money as well, because I've managed to 9x my income in just 7 months. My old corporate salary was 80k a year, and now my projected income for this year is 696k. That is, in a month, going from 6.6k USD to 56k per month, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did that so you can do the exact same. And let me show you the numbers, because I'm sure you want proof. This random guy is just talking about how much money he's making. Well, firstly, I documented the whole thing every single day in June on my daily updates channel. But you probably want more proof. Let me show you inside our client tracker, where you can see all of the clients that we brought on for June and that we did 56k in terms of revenue. But let me show you even more proof, because I want to show you inside the payment processes that I used to show you the cash collected. So this is basically showing you into my Dubai bank account just to prove everything. This is about 900 USD. This is about 600 USD, 6,500 GBP, which is about 8.5k. Showing you into my into my business account. This is 14k pounds, so like 18k, something like that. This is about 700 USD. Go into fan basis. You can see here that this is 5 and a bit k. See into Stripe that this is 13,000 pounds, which is about 17k. And this is 12k on the last one on what. And now I've showed you the proof, I want to show you exactly how I created that income. And it starts with an offer, because I worked out exactly who I'm targeting, my ICP, a person with a knowledge or skill wishing to use it to build and scale an online business. I then worked out what their current situation was, unsure about the steps needed, to a desired situation where they have a remote business that helps them work with the 4 W's. It helps them work when they want, where they want, with who they want, and on what they want. And then I use a mechanism in order to get someone from their current situation to their desired situation, which is the trust building ecosystem, which brings in high ticket pre-sale prospects. That is the offer that I have with my business model. And then the next step that I have is generate traffic. So you've got to think, with your offer, you've created your offer, how are you then going to get people to that offer and to yourself? I made 100k off just my network, 4,000 Instagram followers, and 1,200 YouTube subscribers. Because the first thing is, you know people who know people who know people who know people. And within that network, there will be people that have the desired situation that you can give with your offer. And I worked out that I had people in my network. I activated, I sent text messages. I got people from my network to being interested in my offer. But I also use organic content. And organic content is the singular best thing you can use, because I don't want to create a business that I hate. I don't want to be doing cold outbound where people don't want to hear from me. I don't want to be building complex funnels or talking to cold leads over and over again. I want to create fun content which brings in my dream client, where I get excited from making awesome videos that share value. I get messages from people saying, thank you so much for making that video. And I want to create content that does just that. And that is how I generate traffic to my offer, is through my network and through great value and creative organic content. So then what I do is I use my traffic and I then convert them from traffic into my sales funnel. 90% of that comes through Instagram, and 50% of that 90% comes through Instagram stories. How crazy is that? I've made 105k off Instagram stories. I also get 20% of inbound messages, where I get messages like this of people saying, I'd love to explore working together. I'd like to book a call. Let's start working on this date. That is the 20% I get through people who just see the valuable content that I post and go, it's time. I want to build a remote business. I want to use a skill or knowledge. Or I want to grow my online business that I currently have. It's time to work together. So I just get inbound messages off that, the beauty of organic content. And then I also get new followers, people who have said they want more, and then I message them, we have a conversation with them, and then they book a call and they convert. So that is through my Instagram. I also get a lot of traffic through my YouTube, where I just have a link in the description where people who are constantly watching my videos and seeing the value, seeing the offer that I can build for them, they then book in a call. And by the way, if you have been watching my videos or you like the look of what you see right now and you want us to talk to you about how you can build this business for yourself, then you can find this call description in the description below, where you can book in a completely no pressure chat where we'll just talk to you about the steps that you can use in order to build a business where you can live an incredible life and, as I've showed, make a good amount of money as well. So quick little plug, if you want to book in that video or book in that chat, you can look in the description in the video. But that's how we convert people. And then what happens after that is we then put people into the sales cycle. But the great thing about the sales cycle of this business model is you don't have to hard sell cold leads. I call this the pre-sold sales process, because most people come to us and they just glide right through this process to becoming a client. And it all starts with a demo call, which is this roadmap call here, where we basically put together a plan. We send you YouTube assets, we send you resources, we give you so much value that it becomes a no-brainer to end up working with us. So what happens after that demo call is most people then come to what we call the onboarding call, which a lot of people will call a sales call, but we call it an onboarding call because of how high the close rate is and how much people just jump on a call with me and they go, "Sol, I want to work with you. I just need to know a bit about the details and then we can get going." It's a zero pressure onboarding call. It's normally less than 20 minutes and it just sets up the sale. It just sets up the kind of onboarding process very nicely. We do one thing between the demo call and the onboarding call, which is we send program information and we also send testimonials, which show that we basically get the results that we know we can, and also show the kind of intricate details of what it looked like working with us. So then what happens is we go from a sales cycle, we then go into getting you results. Well, that's the next step, right? And we get incredible results. I believe we've got market leading results. You can see here from the testimonials channel that I have, which you can check out if you want, which basically shows all of these happy people who have worked with us. Ben now makes 10K a month. He made 10K in his first 21 days. Mox made 7K in his first 23 days as a content coach. And there are hundreds more of these testimonials. In fact, I can even show you, we basically clip up the results that we get in the group. And Morgan, another client closed, like you can see here, another client closed today. In the first week, he made 3,000 revenue, which is, 9,000 in total revenue in the first week of working with us. And these are all the results that we've got literally since May the 15th. And, you know, we've got even more of these. This is that we just started this system on May the 15th. You can take, I don't know, where else should we go? Like Josh signed another 1.1K guy. Josh is now making 7K a month. We took him from 1K to 7K a month. I don't know. Soham with 11K cash collected this month. The results we get are amazing, and that is really important to me, that we get amazing results, because what that means is it fuels what I call the results flywheel. And this is a very important part of this whole business model, and is why it's so important to actually focus on results and not focus on just getting more and more people into the business. That's what I really care about, because what I believe is if we get amazing results like we do, then what happens is we can record testimonials. And then when we record the testimonials, it can be used in marketing, it can be used in traffic, but more importantly, it can be used in conversion. People who are interested, people who have seen who I am, then go, okay, well, this person clearly gets incredible results. And what will happen is someone will see that and then see the testimonials and then go, I'd love to buy. And that gets you more clients. So you get results, record a testimonial, use it in marketing, you get more clients, you get those people results, and it goes round and round. And that is a beautiful business model, because it means that all you have to focus on is results. You make content, but realistically, all you have to focus on is getting amazing results and talking about those amazing results. And that flywheel is an incredible thing to see. But you're probably wondering a bit more about what the offer is. Like, how the hell do you have this whole business model? How the hell are you actually going to deliver those results? Well, what we have in our program is we have a few things. The first is you get one-on-one access. You actually get access to me. You get daily reviews. You get anytime one-on-one calls with me. I'm actually going to help you with your offer. And that is why we charge premium prices, because you get access to me, not a random person, me completely, to be able to scale your online business. You also then get 4.5 hours a week of group calls. We have a business call, a bottleneck call, a content specific call, and a sales training call. We then have a done for you and done with you hybrid resources. So we have templates, scripts, thumbnail templates, viral reel templates, hiring templates, access to subsidized editors, all within the program. And then we have 10 plus hours of scaling resources, which is a comprehensive program on offer building, content, sales, and scaling, all within the program. It is a program that I have designed meticulously to make sure that the chance of success is so high. And we also give, to give you another example, we have a success hub. This is my demo success hub where we put in your to-dos. After all the calls you have, you get to-dos put in. We keep you accountable on those to-dos. And we also then have a document where we have all of the storage of all of these different things which we know help people get to their dream outcome. So that is the revenue model, and that is how we do it itself. But we obviously have costs involved in that, and that is what I wanted to speak to you about. We take all of these revenues, we get results, but that's how we make money. But then we have costs, and I have an awesome team, and I want to talk to you about that. To start off with, my team costs 7.8k a month. We have 5 people. We have CSM, we have a VA, a setter, a creatives, and a YouTube person. So the CSM helps me with basically keeping people accountable. It helps with the kind of day-to-day management of clients. We have a VA who helps me with personal tasks, a setter who helps me in the DMs and also takes the onboarding call. He's great. I've just actually flown him out here to Bali to work with me in it for a week. We have a guy who deals with our creatives, who's basically overseeing the brand strategy that I want to create. He's also flying out here to Bali in a week's time, and we have a YouTube strategist as well. We pay 1k to payment processors, and we also have all of these lovely software costs, which you can see here as well. So that adds up to 9.5k of costs a month. But as I said here, it's really important that I talk to you about one thing, because revenue is important. But I'm sure you'll agree, what's actually important is what money enters your bank account at the end of the month. What do you get to spend on your loved ones? What do you get to spend on those holidays, that thing you've been saving up for years? Because we made 56k in June, but we actually cash collected 46k. We had 9.5k in costs, as I'll show you here. And that meant that the money that entered my bank account in the month of June was 36.5k. That is an 80% profit margin. And I want to make one point here, which is that means that I'll have an annual take home of $432k dollars, which is 317k pounds. That pounds figure is equal to a UK corporate salary with tax and national insurance included of 517k. To mention, I don't pay any of those because I have a business set up in Dubai, which is cool because I basically get to keep all of the money that I've earned, which is nice. So that helps a lot. But one point I want to make from this video is I worked at one of the best consulting firms in the world. Hardly anybody earned 517k, and anyone who did was 40, 50, 60. They'd spent tens of years in the corporate world to just have the chance to earn this. And this is why I love this business model, because it allows you to leapfrog all of the best paying jobs in the UK, in the US, in Australia, and actually use this very simple business model to be able to earn loads of money, but also have more control over your time. And that is such an important point to me, is this business model has helped me earn more than some of the best paid people who are in my corporate world. But that is the kind of talking about the take home. But I want to also talk about my life, because it's really important that you think about, what do you actually want from this business? What are the goals? Because we all want to make money, of course, but it's actually like, how do you fit into that? Because necessarily earning all this money in a corporate job might not be great because you have no freedom. And I set myself some very distinct goals with my business. And the first is I only want to bring clients in that I'd enjoy have a coffee with. I believe every single person that I work with is a friend of mine, someone who I deeply care about. And you might think I'm obviously going to say that, but I do genuinely mean that. Is every single person. A lot of them come out to Bali. It's very important that I only work with people I want, because I've had experience in corporate jobs of being forced to work with people I don't want to work with, and I don't want to do that. The second is I want to view clients' businesses as success of my own. As I talked about in the results flywheel here, I want people's results to be the most important thing. Results over profit, because that is how I build a 5-10 year business. I want to create fun and valuable content, and I want to remain within the service delivery element. I love working one-on-one with clients. That's why I've not outsourced the whole thing to someone else. I want to work individually with my clients. So I want to remain within the service delivery element. I also want to create cool rooms where people can meet. Let me just join this up nicely. I want to create cool rooms where people can meet. And that is why the community that I've built is so cool. And we're always having meetups. People are meeting up separately, because I want to create I want to be that person that creates rooms where people can meet. And lastly, I want to build a freedom business, not a big corporation. I do not want to turn my business into the business that I escaped, into basically having people looking like this working in my business. I want people who work for me to be able to work where they want. I want this whole freedom business, and I want to create that for myself. And that is the beautiful thing about this business model, is you can do just that. And it's been very clear to me, having seen inside some of the businesses like mine that exist, where people make these videos and they talk to you about these things, that they are marketing schemes which provide little to no value. I've seen inside and met the people that have these businesses, and I love business. That's my passion. I'm so lucky that that is the skill or knowledge that I'm able to use to plug into this business model. But I want to help anyone who is passionate to be able to turn their passion into a business. I want to make sure that everyone I work with and anyone who's interested in working with me gets to live a life that they look forward to waking up to. Because when I was here, I didn't get that chance. I was not looking forward to waking up every single day. And I want to make sure that everyone I work with is able to do just that. And I want everyone to be able to live a life that they want, whether it looks like this working in Bali, whether it means just getting to spend more time with your kids or your family. It is my mission to make sure that I help people with my skill, which is business, people be able to do that. So if that is interesting to you, last pitch at the end, please do book in a call, because I would love to explain how we can do that for you. You can leave your credit card in the other room. We're not going to try and sell you anything on this demo call. As I said, it's a pure value call where we just talk to you about how you can do just that. So if that is interesting, please book a call in the description, and thank you very much for watching.